How to use Uber. This is a friendly guide for beginners. We're gonna start from how to sign up, and then I'm gonna take you through how to order Uber and how the payment works and everything. This video will answer most of your questions. So let's get started. We're gonna tap on that, and then it's asking you phone number. Let's enter our phone number. So I've entered my phone number, and now they should send me a 4-digit code. So they've just sent me the code, and I'm gonna need to enter it. So to enter it, tap on the boxes. So here shows here. We don't need to enter it manually. It's already there. So now it's asking for our email address. Let's put our email address. So once you enter your email, enter next. And then it's asking you for your name. Once you put your first name and last name, you're going to tap next, and then accept Uber's terms and conditions. We're going to tap on agree and then tap next. So get moving faster with Uber. So let's tap next. Asking me turn on location, so we're going to cancel it for now. Would you like send notification? Yes, you need to allow that. Okay, let's just tap next, and then select a method to confirm your identity. Verify with Facebook account or credit card. So we're gonna tap on credit card, add a credit card or debit card. Once you entered your credit card details, you're gonna need to put your postcode in. Nickname optional, leave it at that. Press save. So here we are, my credit card has been added, and now we are ready to order a taxi or a cab. It says here ride and eats. You can choose both. Also for now we're going to stick with rides. So what we're going to do is ride with Uber. So now I'm going to tell you how you can order a taxi or a cab. Enter pickup address. Let's say Big Ben. Okay, that's your pickup point, and then where you want to go, you're gonna go to Oxford Circus. Sometimes it tells you to enter your pickup point again, so you're gonna need to do it again. Big Ben. It gives me suggestions here, so let's pick the top one. So now it shows you how much it's costing you. The first one is $11.96. That's UberX. That's suitable for 4 people. That's the most convenient and fastest one. So you've got UberX. That's for 6 people. And green is also, you get electric cars. You've got executive. Once you're happy with this price and everything, and you pick up point, you're gonna hit choose UberX. Now it tells me to confirm where I am. You're gonna move the map left and right, and you will show on the map where pickup point is. So let's say I want to be picked up right here, and then once you're happy with that, you're gonna confirm and pay. So let's tap on that. So it's now choosing the drivers for me. Uber London has accepted your booking, find you. So here we are, there's a driver coming for me. So now guys, I'm gonna tell you how to reserve a cab for, say you want to be picked up tomorrow to go to the airport. Let's go here to services, and then let's go to reserves. And then you're gonna go to reserve a trip. Say you're in London Eye, and then you want to go to Heathrow Airport, Terminal 2. and then you're going to pick a time, what time you're going to be picked up. So tomorrow is Friday. I'm going to say I'm going to be picked up by 5:20, and then you're going to hit next. And these are the prices. So normally the reserve prices are much higher than you would take a cab straight away. So here are the prices. This is £70 for Uber XL, and you need to pick Uber X. That's the cheapest one for 4 people with two or three luggages. So once you're ready, you're gonna hit reserve, and then you need to pick up your exact location so the driver don't have to look for you. And then once you're ready, so now we're gonna say confirm and pay. So just gonna tap OK. So it's asking you to reserve a trip back. So for now we're gonna say no. So here's our reservation. So now we change our mind. We need to cancel it because we're not going tomorrow, we're going another time. So yes, just gonna tap edit, and then scroll down, tap cancel, and then you won't be charged a cancellation fee. So tap cancel reservation, and just like that we canceled our reservation. You've got other options here. You got car hire, trains. This is for bicycle if you need to ride a bicycle. And down here we've got tap to press home. It brings you back to the home menu. Here you've got reservation, which we've gone through already. So here we've got activities. This tells you that what trips you have done before. And then here you go to your account. You can go to a wallet, change your card details and stuff like that. Here you can see your ratings. How much is your rating? So start with 5 stars. And you've got here some settings also. Hopefully I cover everything. So the first time you can order your cab with confidence. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and hit the like button. See you next one. Take care.